Go to the part and click OK. Select the plane which you want to sketch. For creating a spring design, we have to first draw the outer circle for the outer circle dia of spring. So we have to draw a circle for the required dimensions. And then after that we have to create a path. So we need to exit the sketch and go to the features, select the curves and click the helix and spiral. After that we have to click the outer circle which we drew previously. So the path is created. So we have to specify it by pitch and revolutions. Give the pitch value of the curve and give the number of revolutions based on your requirement. After that click OK. Then we need to create a profile. So create a plane which is perpendicular to our path. So go to the reference geometry and click the plane, click the point. So the plane is created. Go to the sketch and draw the profile which is normal to our path. After that we have to use a swipe boss options. So exit the sketch. For creating a spring, using swipe option is better options. So go to the features, click the swipe boss, click our profile and corresponding path. Now our spring is created. So we have to hide the planes, hide the helix and spiral curve. Now our spring is clearly visible. So get the regular updates of my video. Please subscribe in my channel. Thank you for watching.